Hello everybody, my name is Uma in front of you, and today I am going to talk about FDI. It is a very interesting and knowledgeable topic. I would like to tell you what is the full form and what is the definition of FDI. If I talk about full form, foreign direct investment. If I talk about definition, whenever any foreign company comes in invest its money in India, it is called FDI. There are two types of FDI. First is greenfield FDI and second is brownfield FDI. If I talk about greenfield FDI, whenever any company comes to establish in India, it is called greenfield FDI. If I talk about brownfield FDI, whenever any company takes 10% sharing of already running company, it is called brownfield FDI. Actually, not only central government, even state government also invites FDI. Okay, one question arises: should we allow FDI? Should we invite FDI or not? Yes, in my point of view, we should invite FDI, because whenever any company comes in India, means FDI promotes international trading. FDI reduces international tension. FDI reduces enmity between two countries. FDI shares culture and industrial knowledge. So that's why we should allow FDI. And one question also arises: in which field FDI can be involved, in which field FDI can't be involved. So there are many fields FDI can be involved, like FDI can be involved in agriculture, FDI can be involved in automobile, FDI can be involved in computer, and FDI can be involved in these are sectors. Okay, if I talk about in which field FDI can't be involved, so there are many fields, like FDI can't be involved in tobacco, and FDI can't be involved in the cigarette and gambling and gardening and fishing sector. Also these are the sector FDI can't be involved. So if I talk about advantages and disadvantages, so there are many advantages and disadvantages. If I talk about advantages, so whenever FDI comes in India, it brings technology, it brings economy, it increases export, it increases employment. Do you know, whenever any company opens the industry, so that time they need labor, they need carpenter, they need electrician. So that's why these are the advantages of FDI. If I talk about disadvantages, so there are many disadvantages of FDI. Like whenever any company comes in India, it brings a negative impact on domestic companies. Because of FDI, in domestic companies disturb and discontinue means businesses discontinue because of FDI. Like whenever any company opens like industry and business, so that time they destroy environment, they destroy water and soil also. Okay, and you know, per year 14 crore trees are used down because of FDI, because of tobacco, because of cigarette. So this is also disadvantages. There are many companies, they try to evade the tax, because there are many application we are using, okay, without coming in India, without giving any tax, they are earning hell lot of money from India. Like we are using Play Store, we are using game application or other also. So these are the disadvantages of FDI. One question also arises: does FDI bring technology or not? Because I told you FDI brings technology. So according to me, in my point of view, FDI brings technology, but only 10 to 20% under the compulsion, because mostly companies opens like potato chips, like a tomato sauce, and like a water bottle, like a pickle, this type of product they made. So in this field there is a no need of technology. Okay, but in which field FDI brings technology, like in vehicles parts, and like a machine parts, like motors, like a engine, this type of. But FDI can't share formula of the technology. They make in his country and they sell in India. Okay, so these are about the technology. And do you know, you must be happy after knowing who made who made computer, who made missile, who made atom bomb. Do you know? Not foreign pupils, in India pupils. Okay, Indian pupils made this type of product. Like APJ Abdul Kalam made missile, and Vijay Bhatkar made computers, and Baba Jahangir made atom bomb. So these are Indian people, not a foreign peoples. So that's all about FDI. Thank you for listening me.